Get a feel for the 2021 Landrover Discovery. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Explore your world in the confidence and comfort that can only come with this superior Discovery. An unmatched blend of posh style and go-anywhere capability places this impressive SUV at the pinnacle of its class. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, Bluetooth connection. Feel the thrill of luxury and the confidence to go anywhere in this remarkable Discovery. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.